At this moment, our code is a little bit messy and not that much readable. So for the sake of readability and easier maintenance, we should indent the code. So let's indent the code. You can see it took so much time to indent this much of code. So just think, if we had hundreds of code in this file, how much time it would take. So it is very time consuming to manually format the document. So to overcome this issue, let's install an extension in VS Code. Right click on the square icon and search for prettier. And install this extension. Click on install. The extension got installed. Close this tab. And after that, let's make our file a little messy and save the file. But nothing happens actually. To format the document, right click on the file and click on this format document option. See, the file got formatted in well structure. Let's try again. Make the file a little bit messy. Save the file. Nothing happens, but right click on the file and click on this format document option. See, our file gets well structured. But right clicking and then choosing the format document option can be time consuming as well. So to overcome that issue, click on this gear icon and go to settings and search for format on save and check this box, then close the settings. And now if you make the file a little bit messy, as soon as you click the save command like Ctrl S, see, the file gets well structured automatically by prettier. Let's try again. Make this a little more messy and click on Ctrl S to save the file. See, our code get indented by prettier nicely.